Welcome as we continue our Publii static site generator tutorials. We're going to cover how to change your home page or front page to your own custom design page, because each theme comes with a default home page, but maybe the one that you design better fits the needs of your particular website. So let's see how we do this. Okay, what we have here is the default home page or front page that comes with this particular theme. But say we want to change it to another home page that we created on our own. Let's see how we do this. First, let's go to our dashboard in Publii. In your left menus, just scroll down to Theme. In your theme settings, scroll down to Custom Settings, and there you see Front Page. Now, latest post is going to use all the default home page with your latest post. But now I'm going to select a particular post that I want to change as the home page. So you scroll down. I have a lot of pages, as you can see, a lot of posts, and I have one here called titled Home. So I click on Home. Oh, it didn't take there. So let's go. There it is, Home. Then we either save settings or save and preview. Now let's see what our home page is as the site renders. And there it is. It's not perfect because it's a WordPress copy that Publii tried to convert. So all the formatting is not correct at the moment, which I have to work on. But basically I changed home page to a different post that will serve as my new home page or front page. So when visitors click on your website, they will see this new front page. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has helped you, and we will continue more tutorials on this wonderful static site CMS called Publii.